Most of today's vehicles utilize fuel line that is made of nylon. It has many advantages, including lightweight, ease of installation, corrosion resistance, and easy to install fittings. But nylon fuel line and its fittings can develop problems with age. Unfortunately for your customers, the process of fixing them won't be expensive or complicated with the help of a fuel line repair or replacement kit. So let's start with repairing a damaged nylon fuel line. Sometimes they crack and sometimes the fittings need to be replaced. They often break during fuel filter replacement because of dirt in the fittings that makes removal difficult. The repair kit will have a tubing cutter designed to cleanly cut the nylon line, old or new, so the proper fittings and connectors will connect and seal without any trouble. It will also have a selection of connectors, adapters, and crimp-style clamps needed to connect the new tubing to the existing fuel line. These kits also provide special couplings and adapters to replace a metal fuel line, which often fails because of rust. You can replace an entire metal line, or the nylon can be coupled to a good section of metal line. Regardless of the original line, nylon fuel line kits make repair and replacement a quick and easy process. Many professionals already own the kits and may just need one or two fittings for some new line, and your DIY customers may only need a few different components as well. Luckily, the individual components can be ordered to replenish any kit, so you can help your customers save money by helping them get only the components they need. So take the time to familiarize yourself with the fuel line repair kits and options in your store. Learning more about these kits will go a long way towards helping your customers repair or replace fuel lines both efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching.